After a long ride, we finally made it to the city of Qyn Nhon. The beaches here were beautiful and empty for the most part. Mohammed said he knew of a secret spot for a sunset. You know I'm up for an adventure. The road up was hidden and off the beaten path for sure, not to mention it was fairly steep and windy. It was a good 10-minute ride up this hill. Little did I know what it had in store for me when I got to the end of this road.
Damn, dude, I was just chased by dogs. I'm on a motorbike and they were just full speed after me. I hope Mohammed's okay up there. It was like somebody's residence or something. On top of the world, bro? Oh, wow. Did a nice little ride up the mountain. We have views for days. Direction. Careful, my friend.
This is definitely a top 10 vantage point in all of Vietnam, at least for me. Beach city views on one side and a forest mountain range with sunset on the other. Pretty hard to top that. Out of the 2 days I went, I only saw 3 other humans. Definitely a secret spot.
Just getting back to the hostel. That was a pretty cool ride up and down. And now I'm gonna head to the night market and check it out. See if we can find any a sweater, and I need some food.
Found myself a nice Ban Trang Nung, if I said that right. Vietnamese pizza. This market didn't have what I was looking for, unfortunately. It's time to roll out. Hoi An, here we come.
Our party of 3 has turned into a party of 4. We got Dimitri with us now from Colombia. He's headed up north, so we just keep adding them on. The more the merrier. Let's go. Ready to roll, bro? Hey. Let's go.
It was nice to have another fellow traveler ride with us. The ride from Qyn Nhon to Hoi An is going to be one of our longest rides. I believe it was 7 hours. Along the ride, Mohammed had 2 malfunctions. His chain cover broke, and he also got a flat tire.
100,000 to get a flat tire fix. I think that comes out to $4.50. Party of 4 is now party of 2. Journey keeps going. We're headed to Marble Mountain right now. See what it's all about. It's got a great viewpoint and the city of Hoi An. Alright, just did a nice little ride through the rain and we are at Marble Mountain. 40,000 Vietnamese dong to enter Marble Mountain.
A steep stairway of 156 steps leads to the summit of Marble Mountain, which stands for 5 elements, a cluster of 5 marble and limestone hills. If you're looking for a nice workout, this is definitely a spot to go to. There's a few caves with big Buddha statues in them, but visibility is low with all the incense they have burning inside them, unfortunately. Oh yeah, what do you know? Views for days. Views on views. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Later.